Welcome guys, this is step 3 in how to solve a 3x3 cube. In step 2 we made the white face as well as the first layer, and now this is the end result. In this we the first layer as well as the second layer is made. That this we call the middle layer as it is in the middle. Now as you can see, the 2/3 of our cube is complete. For this step we will rotate the cube. If the white layer was on top, now white face was on top, now we will keep the yellow face on top. Now in this step we will only focus on the edge pieces. Again, edge pieces are those pieces which have two colors in them which do not have a yellow in them. Edge pieces which do not have a yellow in them. That there will be 4 edge pieces which do not have a yellow in them after we have made the white face. Orange and green first, second green and red, third blue and orange, fourth red and blue. Now we will first see the edges which do not have a yellow in them, as I said, and are in the upper layer. Now this is a edge piece which does not have a yellow in it and is in the upper layer. So now we will match this color, the color which is facing us, with its centerpiece. See, as you can see, now it is matching. We will move the bottom 2 layers to match the color. You see, not matched. Now it is matching. Now we will see where its destination is. As you can see, its destination is in the right. If we move it to the left, then it will not match, and our successful middle layer will not be formed. So since it's now we will see how to bring this piece here without disturbing the first layer we made. So for that we have to do the following steps. Now since it wants to go to the right, we will take it to the left and do this algorithm: R U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Now we will look for another edge piece which does not have a yellow in it and is in the upper layer. So yes, we have found this piece. Now we will match it with its center, red and red. We will look for red. No. Yes, now we have found the now we have matched it with the center. Now this is the left case. First we solved the right case. Now this is the left case. Now since it wants to go, as you can see, it will match if we take it to the left. Now since its destination is in the left, we will take it to the right and do this algorithm: L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. As you can see, our two pieces of middle layer are formed. Now we will look for another piece which is in the middle. Now we look for another edge piece which does not have a yellow in it. Here is one and here is the second. Now since the piece which is in the upper layer is easier to solve, we will first solve that. Now we will match it with its center by moving the bottom 2 layers. Now see, it is matched. Now its destination is also in the right, so we will do the right case algorithm. Now since we have to go it in the right, we will take it to the left and do the algorithm: R U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Now three edges are solved. But wait, we do not have another edge in the upper layer which does not have a yellow in it. All these edges have yellow in it. So what do we do? That means one edge piece is flipped, or it is in the wrong position. Now see, as you can see, this is flipped. Green should be here and red should be here. So now what we will do is we will keep it in the right and do the right case algorithm. That is R U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Now as you can see, this edge piece has come in the upper layer. Now we will move the bottom 2 layers to match it with its center. Unmatched. Now it is matched. Now it is the right case again. So since it's the right case, we will move it to the left and do the algorithm: R U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. As you can see, our middle layer is formed, and the next step will be forming a yellow cross. In this case it is already formed, but sometimes we may get a case like this. So we will see that in the next video. Thank you for watching.